beautiful people. Hope you all are doing great. This is Henrietta Onyemere. Welcome back to my channel. I trust you had a beautiful weekend. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we are making corn pudding. In Mbise, Imo State, Nigeria, where I come from, we call this Usu Oka. So, I'm going to be cooking Usu Oka. I'll show you how we make Usu Oka. Keep watching, don't go away. We're in the season of corn, so we just have to eat enough of this before it goes off again. These are fresh corn, so what I have just done is to remove the kernels from the cob. So I'm through with that. The next thing I'll do is to wash it. But before that, I'm using leaves, uba leaves, to wrap the moi moi or the Usu Oka. So I'll first of all wash it. I have some white vinegar here, so I'll use it and wash the leaves thoroughly. Wash it up to 2 or 3 times. Get that ready, and then we move to the corn. This smells so good, so good. The aroma, oh my god, so good. Our Usu Oka is ready. The corn moi moi, corn pudding, Ukpo Oka, whatever you choose to call it. It is ready. Moment of truth. Ooh, look at this. Look at it. Oh, this is good. Let's start from this side. Oh, Usu Oka, so good. And this is our corn pudding, corn moi moi, Usu Oka. Some people also call it Ukpo Oka. Yeah, anyone you call it. It tasted so delicious. Hope you will try this out. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for being here again. I appreciate you all. May God bless you. And if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Hope you subscribe, please. And also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And to you all my returning subscribers, may God bless you all. I appreciate. Please share my video if you have not shared before. Start with this one. And also like and comment. I love you all. May God continue to bless you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.